Why are we addicted to things? Is it like a child with a security blanket? Is it there for ritual? To do mundane tasks? For love or money? Can't get rid of it. Need a blast. Need a hit. Need to chase the dragon. Why? No one knows. Is it a spell? Is it a curse from somebody who doesn't like you? Mean you have to cane things like chocolate, drink and alcohol, drugs, just to comply with life's endeavours. Fire loop as well. You're always looping the same routine over and over again until you can't compete or beat that system of thinking. Look to the design of yourself when sober. Do you like it? Or do you need to be softened or hardened to reality? Yes. What is it that's eating you up inside? Is it addictive, what you're taking? Or is it just mindset? Want settings to routine?